Good morning, parents, or good afternoon, or good evening. Welcome to our first virtual back to school night. So when I was reflecting and trying to figure out exactly how this would work, I thought this might be easier. I'm going to take you through a slideshow exactly the same way that I do your students every single day, with a lot more videos for you because they're more used to it and they have me for a lot longer. Couple things. I'm sending this out early, so if you'd like to just do it at your own pace, feel free, number one. Number two, I will still be on the Zoom link that is on this slideshow, and it will be August 27th at 5 o'clock. This is basically my presentation, because I couldn't figure out how I'm going to give a 15-minute presentation to everyone popping in and out with A and B schedule. So here you go. This is a series of very short videos. It should take you 15 minutes or less. The only thing you need is your computer or phone that you have and a piece of paper, preferably small like a Post-it note, and a pencil or something else to write with. Okay? Enjoy. I look forward to seeing you on Zoom. You can pop in and say hello, but then you can do this at your own time.